Today, I'll walk you through how to fix a broken Power BI report, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve common errors in your Power BI reports, so you can get back to analyzing your data seamlessly. First, let's start by opening Power BI. Simply locate the application on your computer and double-click to launch it. If you don't have it open yet, don't worry, just take your time to find it. Once you're in Power BI, navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here you will see an option labeled Transform Data. Click on that. This will take you to the Power Query editor where you can manage your data sources. Now, you need to identify which data is showing an error. Look through the list of tables on the left pane and select the one that has the issue. If you're unsure which one it is, you might see a warning icon next to the affected data source. Next, on the right pane, double-click on the source of the error. This is important because errors often occur when the original data source has been moved to a different folder or location. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The process is generally the same across versions. After double-clicking, a File Explorer window will pop up. Click on Browse to locate the correct folder where your data is stored. Take your time here. It's essential to ensure you're pointing to the right location. Once you've selected the correct folder, click OK to confirm your choice. At this point, you should see the error message disappear from your report. This means you've successfully fixed the issue. Finally, to ensure everything is working as expected, click on Close and Apply in the upper left corner of the Power Query editor. This will save your changes and refresh your report. And there you have it. You've just learned how to fix a broken Power BI report. Remember, troubleshooting data sources is a common task, and with practice, you'll become more efficient at it. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.